Well, hello again. It's Sam O'Neill again, and as you can notice, I now have a ponytail, and I'm wearing a Linkin Park shirt, but that's not important. Anyway, I'm sorry I've been absent, guys. I just haven't been able to think of anything to make that, and I've been doing a lot of stuff on DeviantArt. But anyway, for my comeback, I thought I'd do something I don't think I've done before: a comparison video, and that is with two toy shotguns. Okay, so the first one I have is a pump action shotgun. I probably won't be able to get it all into frame, but hopefully you can see it. I probably might need to stand up. Okay. And I also have a double barrel, baby. Now, guns are illegal where I come from, so we can only have toy guns. But anyway, I thought I'd show you the differences. We're going to start with the pump action. So, as you can see, it looks like it's been modeled after the Remington 870 shotgun. It's got paint to make it look like real wood, but it's given away with the speaker in the battery compartment here. It's got an orange tip here, got your receiver, and you got this part right here, because this one actually ejects the shells. And seeing as it's a pump action, it does. Wait for it. That. And it makes noise too. Hold on. Yeah. Okay. Oh, there's also minor details like the safety switch here and the safety release, if you can vaguely make it out. Now, they don't actually work, but they're just there for detail. Anyway, this is what the pump action shells look like. It comes with four. Got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now with mine, uh, one of them just attaches. Well, okay, well the pump action's only really meant to take 2, really, or 3 if you put an extra shell in the receiver before loading up the tube right here. Okay, let me show you how you load it. Okay. Okay, the gun is loaded. Oh, there we go. Okay, now let me put a secret third shell in the receiver. Told you, shell ejecting. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the pump action. Now to the double barrel. Let me pick that shell up, it fell off the bed. Anyway, so as you can tell, this is modeled after a double barrel shotgun. You have its orange tip here. It's got glossy black barrels. You got some texturing here on the foregrip and the stock. well, the pump action I do, but I don't think I brought that up. Anyway, sorry about the scratching. There was just something on the pump action. And it's clearly modeled after one with exposed hammers. And you see it's got 2 triggers, seeing how it's a double barrel. I don't know about anyone else, but I really like double barrel shotguns. That's why when I got this, I was pretty pleased. I'm pretty happy to get one. Now, for the double barrel shells, they look like this. Got the 4th shell right here, stuck in my pocket. Now, seeing as how it's a double barrel shotgun, it's only meant to take 2 shells. And seeing as it's exposed hammers, you just do this. Pull the triggers. Now watch this. As you can see, there's a little button right here. And if you press that, that's how the gun will open. And seeing as there's shells in it, look what happens. Hold on, let me go find those shells. There we go. Now, there are some different variations of this particular shotgun. There's one where you can get one without these parts, these gray parts. You can get one that is brighter things than this. You can also get one where the wood looks kind of similar but darker to the wood detail on this shotgun. And there's also several different toy shotguns that are a bit like this, but they're different. They look like they have non-exposed hammers. The most common one I find is one with a really short stock and shorter barrels. If I had my phone with me, I'd show you a picture of it, but I can't. Seeing as how I can't edit, I can't put a picture in the video. Sorry, guys. Now, this is here we are. We have a site. We have a comparison, an in-hand comparison between the 2 guns. Sorry if I'm being awkward. Yo, what up, fool? Anyway, I think you get the point. So, which one do I recommend? Personally, I'm going with the double barrel. I don't know why, just something about the double barrel that screams epic. Well, maybe it's because of movies like Mad Max and Evil Dead, and games like Doom, and Team Fortress 2 with the Force of Nature shotgun. But, you know. There's a difference in the barrels. Oh, I forgot to bring up. This one's glossy, and this one's a bit more matte and has different texturing to it. The barrels are glossy on the double barrel like they are in this part of the gun. And, well, even if this is a better quality shotgun, I'm still going for a double barrel. So, tell me, which gun do you prefer? Leave your thoughts down in the comments. Sorry for my absence, guys. It's just that, again, I haven't been thinking of many ideas to do. and that and the DeviantArt stuff. But anyway, hopefully I'll make another video tomorrow.